Imagine a place where time slows down, where even light cannot escape, where every law of physics breaks apart. This is not science fiction. This is a black hole, and today Axiora Docs is going to uncover the truth that goes beyond your textbooks. Stay with us. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so incredibly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. It forms when a massive star, many times larger than our Sun, reaches the end of its life and collapses under its own gravity. What remains is an invisible point of infinite density called a singularity, surrounded by a boundary called the event horizon. Cross that boundary and there is no coming back. Scientists call it spaghettification, and yes, that is the real term. As you approach a black hole, the gravitational pull on your feet becomes far stronger than on your head. Your body would literally be stretched like spaghetti, pulled apart atom by atom. But here is what makes it even stranger. To an outside observer watching you fall in, you would appear to slow down and freeze at the event horizon, never actually crossing it. Time itself behaves differently near a black hole. This effect is called time dilation, proven by Einstein's theory of general relativity. In 2019, humanity achieved something historic. We captured the first ever real image of a black hole. It was M87 star, located 55 million light-years away. The image showed a glowing ring of superheated gas surrounding a dark center, the shadow of the black hole itself. Scientists used a network of telescopes across the entire Earth to capture it. But even with this breakthrough, the inside of a black hole remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in all of science. Our best theories break down at the singularity. We simply do not know what happens there. Black holes are not just objects in space, they are windows into the unknown. They challenge everything we think we understand about time, space, and reality itself. And at Axiora Docs, our mission is to uncover these truths, one mystery at a time. If this video opened your mind, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we are just getting started. Drop a comment below. Which space mystery should we uncover next? Until then, keep questioning reality.